This is your login page. This is the first screen you will see after launching the application. Here you will enter your user ID obtained from your supervisor. Enter your password and click on login button. On entering the correct user ID and password, you will be redirected to the dashboard. On top you will see your role, which is test admin in this case. If you have more than one roles, you can switch between your roles from here. Below test admin, you can see the location that has been assigned to you by your supervisor. Below the location, you can see projects and you can switch between your projects from here. If there is only one project assigned to you, you will see only one project in the list. To go to your profile, tap on the profile icon and you can see your project that you're working in currently. In the profile section, you can check your profile for each project. Also, you can change the language in this section. If you have permission to register an animal, you can see an animal management icon in quick services, clicking on which you can register an animal. In animal registration section, you can search an animal owner using the owner ID, name, mobile number or AirTag of the animal. There is also a scan option provided which you can use by directly scanning the AirTag of an animal, and then you can tap on search. If the owner ID or name is not found in the system, you will get a message owner details not found in the system, and you will get an option to register the owner from here. If the owner is registered in the system, you will be able to view all the details for that particular owner ID or name that is already in the system. All the animals registered under the owner name will be reflected in the system. So you will see a list of animals that are registered with that particular owner ID or name. So if there are no animals registered for that particular owner ID, you will get an option to add animal, as you can see on the screen. Clicking on add animal will take you to this form where you can fill the AirTag number. Data entry date will be automatically added. Category, species, you'll have to select name of the animal, sex, date of birth, age, etc. If the animal is in front of you and you are not able to see the AirTag number clearly, you can use the scan option, which will open this dialog box, and you can take a picture of the AirTag that will automatically enter the AirTag number in the system. You cannot change the data entry date as it will be taken as the current date automatically from the system. Tagging date is the date when the animal was tagged actually, and it can be backdated also. Then you can choose the category or species, whether it is a cattle, buffalo, yak, sheep, goat, etc. You can also add the name of the animal, sex of the animal, what is the gender of the animal, date of birth, and age of the animal. If you know the age of the animal, like 1 month, 1 year, 2 months, you can add that and automatically the date of birth will be calculated. Or if you know the date of birth of the animal, you can add the date of birth and automatically the age will be calculated. You can take the picture of the animal by tapping on the click photo, and the camera option will be enabled. Once you click the picture, it will be saved in the system, and since we are registering a female in this case, so we have an option to say that the animal is pregnant or not pregnant. If the animal is pregnant, you can tap on yes or no. So if it is pregnant, you can tap on yes, and then you can choose the pregnancy months. If the animal is not pregnant, then you can choose no, and you will go to the details section where you can see all the details that you have entered, and you can also see the project under which you are registering this animal. If the project details are incorrect, you can switch between projects simply by tapping on it. Then you can submit the form. Once you tap on submit, the animal will be registered successfully, but you'll have to verify the registration, and the OTP will be sent on owner's mobile number, and you'll have to verify this mobile number within 90 days from the date of registration. If it is not done, then the services of the owner will be disabled. If it is done before 90 days, then the services will continue. You can verify the animal registration by entering the 6-digit verification code that has been sent to the registered mobile number. Tapping on the verify and continue will verify the OTP, and your registration will be successfully done. Once the animal is registered successfully, you will see the details and you will be able to see, view or edit the details from here. If there is any additional detail that you would like to add, you can click on add additional details and fill the information that you have not filled in earlier. For example, you can choose the breed or exotic blood level in the system and then click on save. This option can be used only once, and you can also edit the other details by clicking on the edit icon. Here you can edit the fields one by one, and all the fields that you are editing will go for your supervisor's approval. All the changed fields will be reflected in the system, and you can view the details by clicking on view option. So this is how we register an animal in the system.